Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring the kingdoms of life. This classification system helps us organize and understand the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So, let's dive right in. The classification of living organisms into different kingdoms is based on their characteristics, including their cell structure, mode of nutrition, and reproduction. Let's explore each kingdom one by one. The Monera kingdom consists of unicellular organisms, often called bacteria. They are prokaryotes, meaning they lack a distinct nucleus. Bacteria can be found everywhere and play vital roles in the ecosystem, from aiding digestion to nitrogen fixation. The Protista kingdom includes unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cells. It's a diverse kingdom that contains algae, amoebas, and euglenias. Some protists are photosynthetic, while others are heterotrophic. They play important roles as primary producers and provide a significant source of oxygen. Moving on to the fungi kingdom, which includes familiar organisms like mushroom, yeast, and molds. Fungi are eukaryotes and obtain nutrition by absorption. They decompose organic matter and are crucial for nutrient recycling in ecosystems. The Plantae kingdom comprises multicellular photosynthetic organisms. From towering trees to tiny mosses, plants have a range of adaptations for survival, such as specialized tissues and structure. They provide oxygen, food, and habitat for numerous other organisms. Animalia. Lastly, we have the Animalia kingdom. It consists of multicellular organisms with specialized tissue and organs. Animals are heterotrophic, obtaining nutrition by ingestion. They exhibit a wide array of adaptation and behaviors, making them a fascinating kingdom to study. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.